All right, we're back. Got some Mosaic basketball coming up. Sorry again, we're about 15 minutes behind. We're doing giveaways as always for every 5 likes. I don't know where we're at, but we're just gonna do one anyway. So the key word's gonna be let's make it Mosaic. So again, I'm just gonna do one just because I feel like it, and sometimes I just feel like it. So Mosaic is the key word. Everybody who's in chat, just write Mosaic, and we'll do a giveaway again. All right, real quick, eBay disclaimer for break 965. No purchase or payment is necessary to enter the eBay sweepstakes. Please check the description of our listing for the rules and regulations of said sweepstakes. And here we go. We'll run it as soon as I'm done opening the first box. This is, by the way, a Mosaic fast break. So this is not the hobby. It's a hobby version. So this is the disco fast break version. So everybody who's in any break tonight, you are eligible. You just have to be subscribed to the channel in order to chat, and you can have a chance at free packs. So all you got to do is write Mosaic in chat, and we'll run it and see who wins. No purchase necessary for our giveaways. Although, I guess you do, because you have to buy no break. I just love when you guys are participating. Keep you guys involved. So again, if you're in any one of our breaks, whether it's the current break, next break, or even in the previous break, just write the word Mosaic and you have a chance. As soon as I'm done opening this, and yeah, unfortunately, you have to watch live so that you can hear us announcing these things. Otherwise, you will not be able to participate. All right, last chance. This is going to be it. We're going to run it. Let's see who wins the first giveaway. Just a random one, apparently. Drum roll. Jose! You know the drill, Jose. Frequenter and winner of... No, we got you. We got you. So, Jose, you know what's going on. Let us know what you like. Jose, our fellow Chicagoan. All right, Olivier Maxence Prosper. Sorry. Leonard Miller. And, I was hoping this was Brandon Miller. This is a rookie red disco fast break auto of Vasilije Micic for the Charlotte Hornets. 46 of 49. 46 of 49 for Charlotte. There you go. Disco of Patrick Williams. NBA debut, Andre Jackson Jr., Colby Jones. And then we've got a Pascal Siakam purple disco, or fast break, out of 50. 15 out of 50 for the Pacers. Pascal Siakam out of 50. There you go. Draymond. NBA debut, Mr. Cason Wallace. Jarris Walker for the Pacers. Stairmaster, Trae Young. And a Jason Tatum Disco City Edition.
What's up, Mike? Thanks for joining. Mike's from Chi-Town.
What's up, Mike? Go Bears. Haunted Hoops, you got it, Jose. You get yourself 2 packs. Oops. 2 packs for Jose. He's in this break, and he has
Suns.
The Suns. So 9, 6, 5, I believe.
Yep.
Suns, Jose. Good luck. Hopefully, get some 1Bs. All right, let's continue. Taylor Hendricks debut. Cam Whitmore rookie. And then we have, nice, Brandon Miller. There you go. Charlotte on fire. Blue Disco Brandon Miller. This one's going to be numbered out of 85. 20 of 85. Congrats, Brandon Miller NBA debut disco out of 25. I'm sorry, 20 out of 85. All right.
After this box, we gotta run it again because we hit 26.
All right, we'll do another giveaway right after this box because apparently we're at 26 again. Message. Well, do you want me to give them the word now or no? Let them start writing it.
What do you want it to be?
All right, let's make it. Let's make it Wemby. That's it, Wemby, everybody. I'd love to pull a Wemby 1/1 out of this. Wemby, everyone. Type Wemby in chat. You could be in any break tonight for another chance at a free packs. So WEMBY, please. Scoot Henderson. Ooh, nice. Scoot Henderson. Horizontal.
That's the variation.
That's the variation. Yep, V. Disco. There you go. Not Web. Scoop. Scoop is just messing with us now. Wemby. Yeah, it's getting slippery. We got Scoot Henderson, Julian Strother. There's a Grady Dick.
That's what she said.
What, the Grady Dick?
No, slippery.
Oh. Victory Wembanyama montage. Nasri Disco.
Come on.
Come on, man.
That was good.
Yeah, no, you're killing it. Shady on Sharp Disco. We have a Taylor Hendricks rookie, a LeBron James, Keontae George rookie, a Leonard Miller Mosaic rookie for the Minnesota. City Edition, Brandon Miller, Chris Livingston rookie, Anthony Black NBA debut, Jabari Smith Jr. Disco for the Rockets. Jason Wallace, NBA debut, Ozar Thompson. Imani Bates, notoriety, Ozar Thompson insert. Rayan Rupert, Disco rookie for the Blazers. We got Jaime Jaquez City Edition. Ozar Thompson rookie, Derek Lively NBA debut, a nice John Morant montage. This one's out of 85 because it's blue. 80 out of 85, blue disco. John Morant, I'm excited to see what he does this season. Pascal Siakam disco. Hopefully stays out of trouble and stays out of the injury IR list. Julian Phillips rookie, Marcus Sasser NBA debut, Anthony Black rookie, Jaylen Brown disco. Jalen Hoods-Cafino rookie, and a Kevin Durant bank shot. All right, that was box one. So again, this is I want you guys, last chance, write Wemby in chat if you haven't already for a chance to win a free pack. Free pack of whatever's in the background there. All you got to do is be subscribed and be in any break tonight. Any break at all. We'll run it as soon as I'm done opening these packs. So again, all you got to do is write Wemby in chat. Doesn't matter if you're in basketball, football, baseball, soccer. If you're in any break tonight, you can win. No, I believe that the KD, the one I just gave you the last card, was that Thunder or was that insert? It was on the base cards. Oh no, it was the. You're right. It was the bank shot. What is that? Is that Suns?
Suns.
It is Suns. It's not Thunder.
Sure.
The Suns. So again, we like to do these giveaways. For Thunder, you're definitely looking for Shy. You're looking for...
Erica said, boo. Boo, you breaker.
It's been a while since he's been on a Thunder, so... Erica, you probably want Shy. You probably want... what's his name? God, I can't think of his name now. Chet Holmgren. And Who's the stud that they just picked up? Was it Ivy? Not Ivy. I always forget.
Run it.
Yeah, go ahead and run it. Good luck, everybody, with a chance at a free pack. The winner is Matt R. Congratulations, Matt. So again, just let us know break number, team you have, and whether you want Top Soccer, Absolute Football, 2 Haunted Hoop packs, NBA Hoops, Baseball Heritage, or Rookies and Stars. Cason Wallace. Erica's looking for a pull and auto of Cason Wallace. Okay, I'm going to do my best here. I do take requests. Bilal Koulibaly rookie.
It's like a bad DJ.
Bad? Why gotta be a bad DJ?
Because only bad DJs take requests.
Oh, is that true?
Yep.
Andre Jackson. How about a Jason Tatum bank shot? Terrence Mann. Speckle. Beverly, Cam Thomas, Pirtle, Kyrie Irving, Hunter, Boncaro, Man, City Sissoko rookie, Joel Embiid. We got a low numbered card. No. Jared Jackson. I'm sorry, Jared. City, Joel Embiid, Andre Jackson Jr. And we have. Oh, I think I know who that is. Andre Jackson Jr. rookie. And out of 15, so that's pink, for the Grizzlies, pink disco of Jaren Jackson Jr., one of the most consistent autos. That's number 13. Jersey hit. Nice hit. 13 of 15 jersey hit for the Grizzlies. 13 of 15. Very nice. All right, Matt wants some Haunted Hoops. There you go. He's also in this, I believe. 865 Pacers. There you go. Good luck. All right. Jose Alvarado Disco. Oopsie. And we have Victor Wembanyama City Edition. Ryan Rupert rookie. And a Ja Morant, another nice hit. 27 of 50 purple Ja Morant for the Grizzlies. It's a Grizzlies box. 27 of 50. I should have bought this. I love me some Ja. Still. Amen Thompson. Jaime Jaquez NBA debut. Amari Bailey for the Hornets. Tatum notoriety. And a Marcus Sasser for Detroit Disco. All right. Kobe White, Garland, Gordon, Gafford, Siakam, Jones, Curry, Dr. J, Jalen Clark rookie. There's a Cason Wallace NBA debut. Tuamani Kamara, 56 of 85 blue disco for the Trailblazers. Tuamani Kamara, MPJ Lillard, Bridges, Young, Herder, Jalen Johnson, Nasri, Jabari Smith, Colby Jones, Trey Leonard Miller rookie, and a nice variation disco of Keontae George for the Utah Jazz. Nice variation. Very nice. Emmanuel, Reddish, Lopez, Caruso, Gordon Hayward, Trey Murphy, Tyler. Grant, Jonas, Fultz, Lugnuts, Martin, Coro, Jackson, Braun. There's Sasha rookie, NBA debut, Amen, Jalen Pickett rookie, Brandon Ingram Mosaic. Olivier Maxence Prosper rookie, Charles Barkley, Scoot Henderson. There's a Gordon Hayward disco for the Thunder. Kobe Brown, City Edition Ant-Man. We've got Jarris Walker, Montage Anthony Davis, We have a disco of Joel Embiid. And finally, we have a gold disco? Yeah, we do. Jet Howard rookie, NBA debut. Ooh, nice. We got a nice Wemby. Keontae George. And then we have a blue Victor Wembanyama notoriety insert. And these are usually out of 85. 20 of 85. Just 19 off his jersey number. 20 of 85, blue disco Wemby.
Fun fact.
Fun fact. Oops. Jesus Christ. Trey Murphy disco. Here's another Victor Wembanyama base rookie. Tuomani Camara base rookie. Or NBA debut. Grady Dick rookie. Bruce Brown disco. Bali rookie. City edition. This guy. Dirk Nowitzki. Then we got Taylor Hendricks rookie introductions. And it's not a rookie. By colors, I'm guessing Bulls or Cavs. The Chicago Bulls. DeMar DeRozan. 8 of 10. Congratulations. Nice low numbered. Gold disco 8 of 10 for the Chicago Bulls. 8 of 10.
Jose, did you get the Bulls? I think he usually gets the Bulls.
Yeah, Jose, you got Bulls? You got Chicago? All right. Recap 10. Our auto for this guy, Vasily Misic, was red disco out of 49. We did get another auto. This one was low numbered. Pink disco fast break of Jaren Jackson Jr. Jersey hit 13 of 15. We've got a blue disco notoriety of Victor Wembanyama 20 of 85. We had a couple of purple discos. Ja Morant City Edition out of 50, as well as Pascal Siakam, 15 out of 50. We did have a gold. That's right. Thanks, Matt. A gold. DeMar DeRozan, 8 out of 10. Gold disco for the Chicago Bulls. We had a couple of rookie variations, Scoot Henderson and Keontae George. Although, yep. And then we had some blue discos, all out of 85. Tuomani Camara for Portland, a montage of John Morant, and a Brandon Miller for Charlotte. There you go. All right. We'll be right back with the big football break coming right up. Thanks, guys and gals.